Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a travelling lady spin. This is a simple variation on a beginner move. I would recommend you already know how to do a lady spin, and we're going to make one small change to it, which is a good piece of technique. So if you're relatively new to intermediate dancing, this is going to be good for you. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It looks very much like a normal lady spin. We go semicircle and back. Instead of doing the standard prep over to the side, guys move a little bit left and we bring the lady forwards into the preparation. So the lady gets a walk into the prep, which means when we lead the spin, the guys continue past the lady spins past the guys heading out of the way over to the left as we make a left to right catch, getting out of the way, getting a little bit of stretch in that connection. So instead of getting a return, we get a travelling return and we're done. So let's do the same thing from the other side and do numbers. So we go semicircle and back. 1, walking the lady into the prep, getting out of her way. 2, spinning the lady through. 3, catch, generate stretch. 4, and then returning. 5 and back 6. So let's do it. Here we go. Right to right, all together. 5, 6. A travelling lady spin. We go a back, prepare, spin, out of the way, over the top and stop. And that's it. I hope you find this useful. I hope this kind of introduces that feeling of stretch and the feeling of travelling more with things that maybe you would have done on the spot previously, because you can use this same technique for lots and lots of other moves, Wurlitzes, push spins, etc, etc, etc. So it can just make things a little bit more dynamic when you dance. Okay, so thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll be back next time with another clip, and there'll be a music recommendation on the end. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.